Europe's car industry is in serious trouble. Strict EU rules are making things very difficult for car companies. These rules could lead to factory closures and thousands of lost jobs, creating big problems across Europe. Last year, major car brands like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Stellantis, Renault and Volkswagen only used half of their production capacity. One big reason is that car sales have dropped. Even after COVID-19, sales have not returned to normal. Right now, 3 million fewer cars are being sold compared to before the pandemic, forcing factories to produce less. The situation is even worse because of strict EU emission rules. These rules make it harder for car companies to survive. At the same time, Chinese electric car brands are entering the European market and becoming strong competitors. For example, Volkswagen is thinking about working with Chinese companies to deal with lower demand and strong competition. On top of that, the EU has put tariffs or extra taxes on electric cars from China. This has led to legal fights with companies like Tesla arguing that these tariffs are unfair and will hurt the car industry. Europe's weak economy and high energy costs make things even more difficult. The old system, where Europe's car industry exported cars around the world, is no longer working as well because markets are shrinking and global competition is getting tougher. In short, Europe's car industry is facing big challenges. New rules, lower sales, and tough competition from China are making it hard for companies to survive. If things don't change, the future of Europe's car industry could be in danger.